Ever stared at a neon sign, mesmerized by its vibrant glow? You might think it's just a fancy kind of lighting, but the truth is far more fascinating. Neon, that element that makes those signs sing, is incredibly rare. So rare, in fact, that you could say it's almost like finding a unicorn in your backyard. But how rare exactly are we talking here? Let's dive in. First things first, let's understand what neon actually is. Neon is a noble gas, meaning it's one of those super chill elements that rarely interact with other elements. It's colorless, odorless, and tasteless, making it practically invisible to our senses. But when you zap it with electricity, magic happens. The electrons in the neon atoms get excited and release energy in the form of light, creating that iconic neon glow. Now, let's talk about its rarity. In the grand scheme of the universe, neon is actually quite abundant. It's the fifth most abundant element in the cosmos, after hydrogen, helium, oxygen, and carbon. You'll find it lurking in the vast expanses of space, particularly in the outer layers of stars. So, if it's so abundant in space, why is it so rare on Earth? That's where things get interesting. While neon is plentiful in space, it's a different story here on our planet. Earth's gravity isn't strong enough to hold onto lighter elements like neon. These elements tend to escape into space, drifting off into the vastness of the cosmos. This is why neon is considered a trace gas in Earth's atmosphere, making up only about 0.0018% of it. To put that into perspective, that's roughly 18 parts per million. To find a single neon atom in a room full of air, you'd have to sift through millions of other gas molecules. Talk about a needle in a haystack. So, how do we get our hands on this elusive element? Well, we don't exactly mine it like gold. Neon is primarily extracted from the air through a process called fractional distillation. This involves cooling air to extremely low temperatures, causing different gases to liquefy at different points. Neon, being one of the least reactive gases, is among the last to liquefy, allowing it to be separated from the other components of air. Despite its rarity, neon has found some pretty cool applications. Of course, we have the iconic neon signs, adding a touch of retro charm to our cities. But neon's uses extend far beyond just lighting up our nights. It's used in lasers, which have revolutionized fields like medicine and manufacturing. It's also used in cryogenics, the study of extremely low temperatures, due to its ability to remain liquid at very cold temperatures. And let's not forget its role in high-voltage indicators and television tubes. Neon has truly earned its place in our modern world. Understanding the rarity of elements like neon not only satisfies our curiosity, but also has significant implications for science and technology. By studying these rare elements, we can gain valuable insights into the formation of our universe, the evolution of our planet, and the development of new technologies. Who knows, perhaps one day we'll find a way to harness the power of these rare elements to solve some of the world's most pressing challenges. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.